Hi, this is Epic M Studios, and today in Kerbal Space Program we are going to be testing some missiles. I'm not going to use any planes that I've made because I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, I'm terrible at making planes. I think this one should work as a plane. Hopefully, maybe not. Anyways, so let's add them. We're going to go into structural. First, we need to make where the missile will actually launch off of the plane from. For that, actually, let me see if there's a bigger plane. Raven Spear? No. Raven Spear, Albatross. That was the one we just loaded. Raven Spear Mark 4. Is that the same one we just loaded? I think that's the same one we just loaded. Yep. Okay, I think the Albatross 3 is probably our best bet, because it's the biggest plane here. Yeah, that's the best bet. Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to just attach the missiles onto the wings. We're going to use symmetry mode, so we can put them on both sides. We might save them as sub-assemblies later. Sub-assemblies basically allow you to take kind of a part that you made and just put it on, like save it, and then so you can put it on other things later. Perfect. That is actually what I wanted to do. Okay, put that there. What this will do was this will no. So we're gonna have this where it launches, and we're gonna have a part that detaches. So the stack separator will detach the rocket from it, and the rocket will go flying, but these will stay here. So these are kind of where the rocket launches from. We should actually probably move these back to keep the weight. Yeah, a good place. And so let's build the rockets. I think we can build these out of the Explorer rockets, and then have number 3, and have the, I think there's just one rocket right here. Come on, go on there. Bad. Okay, that's actually how we wanted it, so that's good. That is very good. Okay, so we're gonna move all of the solid fuel boosters into one stage, move that to the second stage, and let's launch. Let's clear the runway and proceed. We're gonna test this craft and see if it works. Hopefully it'll work, actually. I hope it works, at least. Hopefully it won't weigh the wings down that much. Let's add some wheels, just so this doesn't fail, because failing is an option but not a very good one. Alright, let's go to the wheels are in utility, and yeah, Gear Bay. Well, I mispronounced that. Whoops. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Mixed up some of the letters there when I was reading it. Okay. Now that's better. Still not the best, but once the wings will perk up once they, yeah. And once we speed up, we should be in flight. Hopefully, please. don't crash. I hope we're not adding too much weight. I don't think we are, but you know, we might be actually. I don't know how much weight these. Yeah, that's just the way we wanted it. Okay, it's heavier with these big missiles, but I think it works. It works. Now, second stage. Um. Yeah. Seems like something went behind us. Let's see what that was. Let's revert to the launch again. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Yeah. Revert to the launch and see what happens with these things. First, let's allow the plane to speed up. See, with our last plane, when we were at this point in the runway, like halfway through, we were only at like 50 meters per second. Here we're at 90. Alright, and we're lift off. Get the landing gear. This was actually a really stable plane. Okay. Wow. This plane is very stable. Okay, and we're going to launch it. No, what? Well, I think the launch went okay. Let's revert to spaceplane hangar. It's just that with those other debris out there, yeah. Okay. Instead of adding this part, we'll just add we'll take off the thing with all the 8 engines and just put this here. Boom. Just like that, and we'll have it in symmetry mode, of course. So these will be small missiles. These are from the FASA pack, which is like fake NASA. I don't know, NASA in Kerbal. It's from the Explorer rocket. Okay, so apparently those explode instead of working. So we're gonna have to do something about it. Let's revert to the spaceplane hangar. Revert to launch. Spaceplane hangar. Okay. I have an idea. We'll put them under the wings and then drop them. No, wait, no, then I won't be able to control them. Darn. Okay. I'll have to shift these up a little bit. Symmetry mode again. And maybe having them on the bottom is a good idea. But not pointing up. Just have them sideways. I'll be pointing in instead. Actually, let's have them in the middle right here. And we can rotate that. No, that's the wrong axis. That's also the wrong axis. That is the right axis. Okay. Alright, good. This will allow us to accelerate, and then we can take off. Okay, our front wheels are off the ground, or at least these wheels, and now they are on the ground. And liftoff. Let's get the gear bay and SAS on. Alright, and we have missiles. And it's still looking at that debris over there. Well, that stinks. Anyways. So let's turn around. This plane actually makes it pretty easy. Okay, don't stall, don't stall, don't stall. I don't know if planes can stall in this, but I'm guessing they can. So, might want to be careful with that. Okay, we're losing altitude very quickly. And still losing. No, we're not losing it anymore. Okay, that's good. I don't think we can land on the runway, but I think we'll be able to land just anyways. Yeah, and down, and this way, and down, 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 down. Gear up, and let's bring the throttle down. We're already losing too much altitude. Yeah, but that was a success. Yeah. We can also make bombs, but those don't really work very well. Okay, this isn't gonna work. Ooh, touchdown. Okay. That actually worked. Wow. Okay, well I'm going to revert to the spaceplane hangar 2 minutes ago, and let's see, that worked. That worked pretty well. Yeah. I'm thinking we should save this as a sub-assembly. So let's drag it into our sub-assemblies. Sub-assembly drop zone. Rocket. Let's overwrite the old rocket number 1, which is the same sub-assembly. Let's just make a bunch of them. That's the good thing about sub-assemblies. You can just do that. Let's make a bunch of them. And nobody will care. There we go. That looks like a powerful plane right there. Alright, and let's add. Oops. Get these rockets, move them here, and we will add this jar. Okay, so these rockets correspond to these ones. These ones are for this, and this for that. So we will be able to launch the Albatross 3 with rockets on it. I'm thinking we should go for the Space Center this time. We can go up there, turn around, and just go for the Space Center. Hopefully this won't be too heavy to take off. Okay, we got these wheels off the ground, which is good, means we have lift. Accelerating like crazy. Alright. I'm going to try to keep this video shorter than the last one, which was like 45 minutes of nothing. Ooh! And that did not work. Let's try to abort this. Abort. No, abort doesn't do anything. Well, we have failed miserably. Alright, yeah. Might be too heavy, might not be. I'm just gonna try to yeah, throttle up, but I'm gonna stay in control of it while it's on the runway. I'm not gonna let it shift. Like right now it's shifting. Okay, I think right now we're at takeoff speed, and there we go. And we're gonna try to, yeah, maneuver so that we're turning around and heading back towards the Space Center. I think we should cut our, yeah. Whoa, 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 we are going down. We are going down. Lift, 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 please. No. Lift. We need lift. Oh gosh, we're 200 meters above the ground. 100, 30, 20, 10. Yeah. Oh, good. Okay, good. Now we're going to head towards the space station. Space Center. Not station. Okay, and so set our velocity towards the Space Center. And full throttle. SAS. Hit T for SAS. Oh, we don't have lift. We do not have lift. Bam! And we just crashed. That was like a big boom, like bam! Boy, okay. We're gonna try to do this. Let's revert to the launch. Why did it have to crash into the terrain? Okay. I'm gonna try something that I may regret. Yes, I regret that. Well, that didn't work. Well, let's revert the flight. Anyways, revert to spaceplane hangar. I don't think we need this plane anymore. Why don't we try to make something else? Maybe like a car or something. I actually don't know how to make cars. Yeah. Well, that can be for another episode. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll probably be uploading the next episode. Like, we'll probably be making it right after I record this one. So, bye for now.